How to verify your identity on Chase Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can verify your identity on Chase Bank. So to do that, first of all, open up the Chase Bank's mobile app and simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, tap on the More option on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be provided with all of these different options right over here, where you'll have to basically tap on the second option, which is Verify Identity. Now once you've done that, tap on the option Continue. After that, you'll have to confirm your details such as your full name, your date of birth, your social security number, only the last 4 digits, and then your address. Now once you've done that, you'll have to choose a way how you would like to verify your account. So you can either take a photo of your ID such as your driver's license or your password. After that, or you could also take a selfie. And finally, you can also answer security questions. Now you can choose any one of these 3 different options right over here. And once you've done that, once you tap on the option submit, you will have successfully verified your identity on Chase Bank. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.